the parliament is going on. Our intention is to focus our demand, to highlight our demand, and to expose all the leaders in India. As you know, we have struggled for many years, and we have submitted many kind of memorandum to our Prime Minister, Home Minister, and all the leaders of opposition. Our demand is genuine demand, as you all know, because the indigenous people of Tripura, people of Tripura are suffering for many years. They are not getting their social justice. They are not getting their education, economy, political right. Therefore, it is our long demand now become people demand. The statehood demand is not only demand by IPFT and the promoter. It become people demand.